Here's a size comparison between two young almonds from this year. They both are cockbirds. Definitely from two different parents. This guy is humongous. See the chest on him? He's a big boy. At least these guys are not fighting. Two cockbirds in here. I like that. Sometimes they usually try to like fight. And look, he's kind of friendly too. Most of my birds, since I handle them quite a bit, they're friendly. But just to give a nice full chest. He carries the dilute gene too. And this, he's one of those slender kind of almonds. This bird is still a nice bird, but like if you're looking for like humongous birds, that is a humongous bird. But I like this type too. Like if I had to pick, I like this kind of type, and I would try to make that bird to like a smaller hen. I can made into a bigger hen and produce humongous birds, but I don't want to produce birds like that way too big. But just a nice comparison.